Make sure you have at least one of these plants in your home to protect you from radiation, chemicals and cigarette smoke. You should get at least one of these plants in your house or apartment. It's because these amazing plants will absorb all the harmful radiation emitted from televisions. These plants will also eliminate all the harmful odors emitted by paints, solvents or cleaning agents. Did you know that you should have at least one plant for every 75 square feet of space in your home? Fig, fern, dragon tree and cactus. These are the best plants that can help you eliminate unpleasant odor, radiation and other harmful chemicals from the air inside your house. Dragon tree. Dragon tree, it's a beautiful ornamental plant which is very easy to maintain and nourish, and the best thing about this plant is that dragon tree is very resistant to temperature differences. The dragon tree plant enjoys the light, but you should be careful and don't put it on direct sunlight and not in a draft. You should spray it with water every day. The dragon plant will reduce the concentration of formaldehyde, evaporating components from cleaning agents, paints, solvents, sprays and deodorants. This is why dragon plant is one of the best home air purifiers. Fig. Did you know that this plant is the best tool against cigarette smoke? Well, yes, fig is the best solution for all people who smoke inside their house. Fig, besides the cigarette smoke neutralizing ability, it also reduces the concentration of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and other harmful chemicals found in paints and varnishes. Fig doesn't like drafts and it shouldn't be exposed to direct sunlight. Fern. Fern reduces the concentration of formaldehyde, which usually evaporates from the furniture, glue, paint, detergents, fabric and curtains. This plant needs a lot of moisture and it shouldn't be exposed to direct sunlight. As you can see, these plants are very useful in eliminating all harmful chemicals and particles from the air inside your house. You should definitely get one of these plants. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.